Hey guys, I have a quick video for you today showing you what I did with this super realistic $30 wig. My hair type is mostly 4A, and this wig was a fantastic match, and it also allowed me to play with some cute highlights and ginger colors without having to damage my natural hair with dyes. So keep watching to see the super easy install that I did, as well as some styling ideas. So I started with just a bit of my perimeter left out, and I did one big braid in the back. I know the stocking cap is a really light color, but the beauty supply store gave it to me, and since the wig is so curly, you really can't see it. And here you can see how the wig looks right out of the box. I forgot to show the clips, but it has 3 soft and flexible clips in the front, 1 in the back, and a drawstring because this is made to actually double as a ponytail. So I just slide it on and use the clips to fasten it. And as you can see, it's got some nice layers, but the curls are really tight, so I'm just gently stretching it. And I also added some water to help soften it up so I could stretch it to my liking. Next, I take a wax stick and slide that over my edges to start the blending process. My hair was already wet, but if yours isn't, you can spray some water on it or do what I'm doing in the next clip, which is just taking some Biotin spray and spraying that onto your edges to get them to curl up and match the texture of the wig. To help my curls keep their form, I add this really soft and silky curl forming gel by Curlshow. And I comb that through my hair and into just the front of the wig to finish up the blending. And as you can see, it's very realistic, and I think the color match was great despite my hair being dark brown. I really love the ginger highlights because they add some fun and dimension to the look. And here I'm showing you some styling ideas. I took a small rubber band and pulled some of the front up for a half up, half down style. And that made it look even more natural in my opinion. And I also tried a more side part look, and that made it look more believable as well to me. And lastly, I had a little fun with this double bun look. So there you have it. Like this video and check out the description for hair and product details. Later, sugar.